In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive your Google Classroom course, a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. This is perfect for teachers who are wrapping up a course and want to tidy up their classroom dashboard without losing any important information. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to go to Google Classroom. Make sure you're logged in with your specific Google account that has access to the course you want to manage. If you haven't already signed in, take a moment to do so now. Once you're on the homepage of Google Classroom, you'll see all the courses you are currently managing. This is your main hub where every class you're involved with is displayed in a neat list on the dashboard. Have a look across these courses and locate the one you wish to archive. If you have multiple courses running simultaneously, you might need to scroll a bit or search to find the exact course card you're looking for. Take your time with this to ensure you're archiving the correct one, as it can be a hassle to retrieve it later if you make a mistake. Once you've found the course, the next step is to look for the three vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu, situated in the top right corner of the course card. Hover over this area to make sure you click on the dots and not elsewhere. This menu holds several useful options for managing your course. After clicking on the three vertical dots, you'll see a drop down menu with various options. From this list, select the one that says Archive. Clicking Archive here doesn't immediately finalize the action, it essentially begins the process and moves you to the confirmation stage. At this confirmation stage, a dialog box will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial. Remember, it's a safety net to prevent accidental archiving. Review your choice, and if you're sure this is the action you want, go ahead and click Archive again, and there you go, your course is now archived. A quick tip about archived courses: they don't disappear forever. Instead, they're moved to a special section called Archived Classes. You can access this section by clicking on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, or the hamburger icon located in the top left corner of Google Classroom. From there, select Archived Classes. Should you need to, you can restore an archived course or even choose to permanently delete it from this section. And that's all there is to it. Archiving your course helps keep your classroom organized, ensuring only your active courses occupy your main dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your digital classrooms efficiently.